Hello, amazing artists. Today we are going to piece our quilt squares together to create our quilt. Now, you need every single one of your 4 pages to be completely filled in with color, backgrounds, all that great stuff. And then you're gonna cut them all out. So I'm just gonna cut very carefully along the outside black lines. Just like this. And after you have them all cut out, you can throw away your trash, but you might want to keep one of your little keys so that you can see where things need to go. So I've got all of mine cut out, and I can see on mine that on my key, I've got this corner all needs to be the same. So I know that because they all need to be the same, that they are all going to be in the center of my paper. So I'm gonna get a bigger paper to attach things to. All right, so here's my bigger paper, and I'm gonna make sure to write my name on it because I just cut my name off of all of my papers. And I'm gonna flip it over. And then I'm gonna take all my papers, and my corners that all need to be the same are all going to be in the middle. So I'm going to attach that one there, and then I'm going to rotate this one and attach it there. And then I'm going to rotate this one around like this and attach it there. And then I'm going to rotate this one around and attach it there. And you can see that they all needed to be the same color, the same pattern, because now they're all in the middle and they look like one big piece of fabric. So now I'm going to be able to glue all of this down, and you can see that I had this star pattern. Yours might look different. Before you glue it down, make sure that you double check with me that you have it all in the right position. If you rotated it the wrong way, your pattern might turn out a little funny. So I'm going to take a glue stick, and I'm gonna make sure to use the bottom corner the bottom part to rotate it out. Remember, you don't want the glue stick to go all the way out, just a little, so that you can use the glue. And I'm gonna make sure to put glue on all of my edges and in the middle of my page. And I'm going to line it up with the edge of my paper. Oh, don't wanna put it the wrong way. Line it up with the edge of my paper and glue it down, making sure that the part that needs to be in the middle is in the middle. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. Whoa, almost lost my glue stick with all of my papers. All right. And they might hang off a little, and that's okay. Around the edges and in the middle. Make sure my one that needs to be in the middle is in the middle. And glue it down. And my last one around the edges. In the middle. Make sure that's there and glue it down. And now you can see I have my beautiful quilt square that has all my matching pieces in the middle, and it looks great. Now, if you don't have a thing that needs to match the middle to help you look at it, again, put it the way you think it needs to be, raise your hand, and I will come around and help you out. All right, that's it. I'm gonna double check that my name is on it. It is, and now I can turn it in.